Welcome everybody. Welcome to another Mr. Mouth ride along. I'm going from Laredo, Texas to Chillicothe, Ohio. Yeah, I've been on this trip before. There's no saying. It's not the destination, it's the journey that makes your road trip exciting. Yeah, I've been with this company quite a while. I must have done this trip 100 times, maybe more, maybe more. Every single trip is different. Doing my walk around, stretching my legs. This is actually day 2 of my trip. Yesterday, holy moly. Make a long story short, whenever I know there's traffic on I-35 north of San Antonio, I have a bypass route. But I didn't take it because traffic was moving okay. Well, guess what? I saw one of them electronic signs on the side of the road that said, interstate closed at Holly Street. Yeah, I know where all the streets are on my route. Really? How come they can't put an exit number? They put an exit number, I know what, you know? Either way, I'm driving. I can't look at the map, find out where Holly Street's at. So my guess, it was like in the neighborhood of Austin, my favorite town. So I didn't ask no question. I saw a second electronic sign that said the same thing. The first one, maybe they forgot to turn it off. But the second one said the same thing. Here I am. I don't know. I'm looking at my GPS. I saw Highway 45. I didn't zoom out. Well, guess what? Highway 45, that's that toll road that goes around Austin and all them towns, whatever. We don't take that road. But I did. So I jumped off on the toll road. I didn't take all of it. I only took like a quarter of it. Then I got on Highway 290 East. And that bumped into 95. Well, guess what? Highway 95, that's my bypass route. Yee! So I'll be getting a toll bill in the mail. Shouldn't be that much, I don't think. Either way. Yeah, it's not the destination, it's the journey. Every trip is different, including this one. Other than that, this is day 2. I ran out of time, had like 25 minutes on my clock. Yeah, I stopped at Hope. You know where I stopped. Went in Walmart, got some groceries. So after Hope, took off, got fuel in Little Rock. From Little Rock over here, took my bypass. Oh yeah, I'm on 69 North, I-69 North. The Parkway, I call it the Parkway. Taking a 30-minute break here at this way station. It's at the Kentucky line. Yeah, I'm really enjoying my new truck. Gotta sign this truck a few days before my time off. Yeah, I ride nice, looks good. It's a 27 model. Still got the new truck smell. It only has 1,500 miles, close to 2,000. So, yeah. I'm not gonna let this truck go. I tell my wife, no vacation this year. I'm not losing my truck. But yeah, it's pretty nice. Inside of it, pretty much the same as the other T680s. The only thing I noticed was they added a little USB charge thing on the dash. And that's it. No major change as far as storage, cabinet, table. And then the headlights. I like the headlights. Look at that. That's cool looking. That looks mean. See the eyebrow right here? Yeah, it's looking at you. Get out of my way. I only got 1 speed and that's slow. Well, enough yakking. Time to hit the road, Jack. Sorry, Jackie. Dropped the trailer, now I don't know what door he dropped it in. I gotta back all the way up to eyeball it. They shuffle a lot of trailers here, so I had to slide my candles, cut my seal. Oh, there's my door. I know what I'm doing now. Here we go. I only have a half a trailer load, man. What I need is a back window. That local driver, he got a back window, he blindsided. I try to avoid blindsiding, but if I can, I will. Alright, I'm in the dock. Yeah, it's 11:30, so it took about 4 hours to get from the truck stop to here. He's already got the dock plate down. I got the red light. Okay. About a 15-minute wait. Whenever I slide my tandem, I always make sure the pins are extended on the rails. Well, I found a parking spot next to the customer here, waiting on another load assignment. All in all, that was a pretty good trip from Laredo to Chillicothe, Ohio. Come to think of it, when you're on a long trip, yeah, you're gonna have hiccups, so it wasn't that big of a deal with the interstate closing. I don't know why I made a big deal out of it. I know why, because I'm getting a toll road bill. So I'm glad you get to ride along with me from Laredo, Texas to Chillicothe, Ohio. Until next time, be good, be safe, be kind. Adios.